How to earn extra money from working at home. No matter what your skills or interests, there are many opportunities to make money on the internet. Whether you're a career mom who wants to stay home while earning a living, or a father who wants to earn an extra income, the internet is wide open for success. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. Now here are some unique ways people are earning money online and tips on how you can get started. 1. Information research and brokerage. The internet is often called the information highway because so much information is available online. Someone has to find and compile this information through research and put together helpful materials, articles, brochures, manuals, and so forth. Businesses and organizations usually need a continuous flow of information to provide to their users. This gives you a great opportunity for employment from home. You can find work-at-home jobs researching or preparing informative materials for one particular company, or start your own home business providing the services to several companies. 2. Specialist opportunities. If you wish to specialize in a certain field, there are many home business opportunities in various fields such as real estate, finance, education, writing, and retail. You can narrow your search down to the fields of interest to find a job you love. For instance, if you've always wanted to work in real estate, you might find a work-at-home job with a real estate company. Even if you're not a real estate agent yet, there are opportunities for clerical work, photography, website design, accounting, and more. 3. Niche home-based business opportunity. Another type of home business is the niche business. Niche means a unique product or service, something that is not available just anywhere. Perhaps you've developed a certain product or have found a rare product that you can buy wholesale and sell through your own website. Or you might have a unique service to provide to individuals or business owners. The possibilities are endless. 4. Affiliate marketing and other money-making methods. Another way you can earn money online is through affiliate marketing. You can become an affiliate of one or more companies and sell your products or services for a commission. To do so, you will probably need your own website. Some companies will provide a ready-made website for you. However, you should have the ability to customize the website for uniqueness in the search engines. One of the best ways to learn how to succeed with affiliate marketing is through Clickbank University. In this program, you'll follow in the exact footsteps of proven 7- and 8-figure Clickbank affiliates. The link to Clickbank University is in the description below. Besides affiliate marketing, you can also work for companies online that are involved in marketing or finance. These are paid survey programs, turnkey opportunities, and wealth building programs to help you create multiple streams of income. With paid survey programs, you fill out survey forms online or participate in product forums to earn dollars. Some are earning $100 to $200 per day doing this full-time, while others earn a great part-time income. With Turnkey Opportunities, you are provided a website that has been tested and all the tools you need to build well. Some turnkey solutions require a fee to start, some are free. Just be sure to check out the company first for legitimacy. As you can see, home-based business opportunities are available for just about anyone. There are work-at-home jobs or opportunities to start your own business. Choose what will work best for you so you can start reaching your goals today. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.